Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering prerequisites: the Baldi game files, mod tools, and a TTS engine. Choose local for low latency or cloud for higher quality and install the engine. Once done, create a simple mapping sheet that links game lines to TTS ID. You will also prepare folder structure, voices, configs, and output. Make sure file names match the mapping exactly so the mod loader can find them. And move quickly. These first steps unlock the rest of the workflow. Next, integrate the TTS into Baldi by editing dialog hooks to call your TTS ID rather than static audio. You'll write a small middleware script that sends text to the TTS engine, caches results, and saves WAV or OGG files in the game's audio folder. Tune voice parameters, pitch, speed, and pause lengths to match Baldi's character. Once the middleware runs, test a single line, confirm playback in-game, and iterate until timing and tone feel right before scaling up. Finally, batch generate every dialogue line, import files into the game, and replace placeholder clips. Preload critical lines to prevent in-game lag and optimize file sizes with a consistent bitrate. Once everything is loaded, play through key scenes to verify sync and emotional cues. If something breaks, start troubleshooting. Inspect mod logs, confirm file permissions, and ensure you're not hitting API rate limits. Also verify the middleware's paths. If you still see errors, regenerate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.